Today on Vegan Cooking with Bobby and Brent,
we're gonna show you how to make this acai berry slash the acai berry smoothie
next on Now You Know. So Brent, what on earth do we have here?
Today, we're doing another smoothie episode.
Oh, another smoothie episode.
Yeah,
okay.
Our last one, you kind of showed us what we were doing.
Yes.
This one is gonna be my little experiment here, my little concoction.
Professor Brent.
Yes, we're in the lab making smoothies. And our smoothie today is gonna be an acai berry smoothie. Acai?
A side berry? A side.
Yeah, this is my side berry. It's not my primary berry, it's my side berry.
Oh, okay. Brent,
no, it's called acai. See, acai.
Oh, okay.
Acai. I think that's how you pronounce that weird C there.
Yeah.
Internet, correct us, because you're going to want, whether I want you to or not. I say acai berry. Now this is not whole acai berries, because we couldn't actually find any whole.
People at Whole Foods didn't actually even know what an acai berry was.
Which is kind of unfortunate. You think of all the places that would know, it'd be Whole Foods,
right.
But apparently they do not. Yeah. I've had acai berry smoothies at a few different restaurants before and stuff, and it's a nice kind of flavorful, it's got kind of a tart but sweet sort of flavor. Okay. And it's a really healthy fruit, so I really enjoy the flavor, and it's got a lot of good stuff in it.
Is an acai berry a superfruit, Brent?
I believe it is actually, Bobby. So we'll be talking a little bit more about that later when we get to our ingredient of the week segment.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, so this is really good stuff. This particular thing, as I said, was not actual whole acai berries. It's like, again, acai berry, sort of like paste or something like that. It's like blended acai berry.
But it is pure 100% authentic acai berry.
Exactly.
Acai berry.
Yeah. We'll say it however we want to say it. Maybe we should go ahead and tell everyone what they're going to need to make this at home.
All right, let's check out the ingredients.
Bananas, acai berry, almond milk or vegan milk of choice, optional protein powder, kale, ice.
All right, so we just saw all the ingredients we're gonna need to make this particular smoothie. So step one is kind of prepping our ingredients, if you will.
Cool.
So as you showed us in our last episode, the first thing we're gonna do is our ice.
Yeah, I like to use the ice as the foundation because it's the heaviest thing. We'll get it down there. And that's what we're gonna need to grind up the most.
Okay, cool.
So we got about a cup of ice here. Pour that in.
Cool.
And maybe we'll just put a little bit more in. That's about how much we used last time.
Yeah, that looks good.
So we'll fill our ice to about there.
That looks pretty good. So next, let's do our banana.
Yeah, Brent, let's see if you can crack a banana the way I like to crack my bananas.
Yeah, okay. Let's see.
Now, I'll give you a little tutorial first,
okay, show me.
So I like to crack my bananas in a weird way. And we're gonna use 2 bananas for this, right?
Yes.
So I like to take my banana this way or this way.
Okay, either way.
With the smiley facing up, okay? And first the first motion you're gonna do is you're gonna pull out using like,
Okay.
And then as you pull out, you're gonna crack down the middle. So you're gonna crack and pull together at the same time.
Interesting.
So on the count of 3,
okay.
1, 2, 3. See, I didn't do it because I wanted to see how you would do it. In case you messed up, you could redo it.
Sneaky.
But that was perfect, Brent.
Nailed it.
You nailed it. So yeah, I like to do that to make sure you get most of the banana in there.
Cool.
Pop that in.
One thing that's cool about smoothies, Bobby, in case you weren't wondering, is it's a really easy thing to kind of help replace for all you people out there who are trying to transition into a vegan diet. Say, how am I supposed to do that? How am I supposed to not eat meat every meal?
What?
A smoothie is a really good meal replacer, if you will.
Gotcha.
And it's super filling, and it's really easy to make it. Obviously, you've never made a smoothie with meat in it, have you? You're not gonna blend up some roast beef. Roast beef smoothie, that sounds disgusting. This is actually sort of something you did at first too, right?
It is something I did. So I'm actually a more recent vegetarian, and even more recently kind of going a little more vegan.
Yep.
But in the beginning, it was a little hard for me to give up meat.
Yeah.
And because I was big on going to the gym and like getting my protein.
Yeah.
Eat my protein. So what I did was I started replacing my meat with some smoothies and with protein powder like we have here today. And basically, it kind of made it easier for me because it was very filling.
Yep.
And you know, you get all that great fruits and vegetables into a smoothie that's gonna fill your stomach up very quickly. So that's kind of what I did to transition.
Next, we're gonna add our milk. So we got almond milk here today, unsweetened, to get rid of all that extra sugar that we don't need.
But you can use any kind of alternative milk that you want.
Yeah, like we said last time, I like soy milk personally.
Soy milk.
But almond milk is go to no on the rice milk. But if you want to, sure.
I would never use rice milk.
It's your funeral.
I would never use rice milk in a smoothie.
I wouldn't use it in anything. How much almond milk are we thinking, Bobby?
I would say about 1.5 cups here.
Okay. So let's do that up.
Depending on how thick you want it. The last episode we used about 1.5 cups and it was pretty liquidy.
It was a little more thin.
So maybe we could try it with just 1 cup and see if we'll add more later.
Yeah, sure. Maybe we'll go for a thicker smoothie
Yeah.
for this one. So we're saying cup, but by that we mean, again, the glass that we're gonna be drinking
Yeah.
out of. So that cup size.
Because the smoothie,
not an actual measurement cup.
Yeah, it's not baking, guys. We're kind of eyeballing this here.
Next, let's do our kale next.
All right, let's do our kale. I'll
So-
grab half the kale, you grab the other
Yeah,
half.
let's do that and we'll break it up a little bit. Not a whole ton, but next thing we're gonna do is our protein powder.
Okay, so what do we have here today?
All right, good question. We got another Vega one, plant-based protein smoothie powder. This one's bodacious berry. Ooh,
So yeah, they have
interesting.
different flavors, and this is a very high protein, omega-3s. You got a lot of great vitamins and minerals in there.
Yeah, all kinds of good stuff
Yeah.
going on here. So we're gonna do just a little bit of that
Yeah.
in our mixture. So we got that, and then next we're gonna add in our acai. I've never actually made an acai berry smoothie at home.
Well-
because acai berry is very hard to find.
We got plenty of extra packets here, so,
So
we can
that's-
split them up and bring them home.
That's pretty cool. Okay,
Try them on our own time here. I'm excited to see how this tastes. Now, what do you think? Do you think we need another package?
let's just go for it.
Let's-
Both
let's
flavors,
go
baby.
for it. I don't want this to be green. I want it to be purple. I want this to be a purple smoothie here.
It's going to be a purple smoothie, I believe.
Okay, and I think that's everything we need here.
Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about this.
So let's move on to our next step, which is
Yeah.
blending it all together. That's looking pretty good.
I'm feeling pretty good about that. Let's try it out.
All right, Brent. So we've just blended the acai berry smoothie and we
Yes.
poured it up.
Yes, it's time to give out our grades.
Yeah. So the first grade we're going to give out is healthiness.
Yep. So I'm again, like our last episode, I'm gonna probably go A on this one. I mean, it's kind of hard to argue with all the ingredients on this one. A lot of good stuff in there.
Listen, Brent. I'm going to go A+.
Wow.
Superfruit.
Superfruit.
Can't deny the superfruit. I think that's as healthy as it gets.
Right. Cleanup.
Clean up.
Again, like last one, this is a very easy one, so I'm gonna go A also.
I'm also going to go A.
Costs, so again, like usual, we'll get the price here on screen for you to check out.
This was expensive.
Yeah, acai berry ain't, if you're gonna get that superfruit, you're gonna pay a premium for it.
So I'm going to say B- for the cost.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna agree with you there and also go B-. The acai berry is a little pricey. Last but not least, the only thing left to grade out, taste.
I've never had acai berry. So I can't compare to like other
Right.
acai berries. I'm going to say A+.
Wow, okay, very good.
This is tasty AF.
Okay, so for me, I'm gonna go B for a taste.
Okay.
It is, as far as, it is very good tasting. I wish I could taste the acai a little bit more.
Gotcha.
For me, the acai is very mild in this one right now.
Really?
Yeah, I could
Makes
have
me
used
wonder how much I like a real acai.
Now,
berry.
I mean, I am a little under the weather, so I hope that might be affecting my taste buds slightly. So maybe I'm just not tasting it as much as I could be.
Possible.
But to me, I've had some other acai berry smoothies that are very like in your face acai berry, and that's kind of more what I was looking for. So for me, I'm a little underwhelmed by that. Though I'm really enjoying, I'm getting more of like some of the kale flavor in here personally.
The kale works.
Which I like the kale, so all right, I think that's gonna do it for this week's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching another ep of the Vegan Cooking Show.
We made it.
We made it through with a pretty good acai berry smoothie.
Yeah.
So don't forget to like, subscribe. Also consider heading over to Patreon. We
Yeah,
got a
we got
bunch
the
of
link
cool
in the
perks
description.
over there. We might have more of these
I
left.
know it's been a few weeks. They've been limited edition for a few weeks.
Yeah, so we might have to cut this out, but if they are still there, definitely go check that out. Grab
They're
one of
definitely not
those.
going to be here next week.
Yeah, they're going to be gone, so
Go get 'em.
don't sit on your hands. Go get one.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching.
I've been Zach,
And I'm Jesse
and you're watching Vegan Cooking Show.
with Bobby and Brent.
Episode
23.
23 on Now You Know.
No.
That was weird.
Gotta make it a little weird at the end.